How to fix, sorry, this channel is private in Telegram. So if you want to fix, sorry, this channel is private in Telegram, then first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to mobile data as well. Then go back to the Play Store application on your device and search for the Telegram application. This will help you check if you have the latest version of Telegram application installed. As you can see that there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application on our device. Now just go back and long press on the Telegram application. Once you do that, tap on the app info. Once you tap on app info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the options of clear data at the bottom right corner of your screen. Or if you don't find it, you can go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache or clear data. Tap on it, and after clearing your cache, you need to tap on OK. Now go back and go to the app permissions and make sure that you've toggled on all of the required options. Tap on permissions, and in my case, I've toggled on the required options. After that, you can go back and check on Telegram, as this might fix the issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.